So today what we're going to be doing is just the basics of how to open up an image in Photoshop. So there's two main ways that we do it in class. If I'm opening up this photo of me that I have on my desktop, I'm just going to click and drag it over onto that little PS logo in our dock. So once it's bouncing, it means that Photoshop is working. You should get a screen like this. And as soon as Photoshop opens, your image that you dragged over should open up. This makes it so we have a background. We don't have to rasterize anything. If I were to drag another image over, so like Kevin Hart, if I drag it onto the PS logo again, it'll open it up in its own tab. This is really useful because then we can start mixing and matching, which we're going to be doing in a little bit. Now, other ways that you can open it up, so if I take this Kevin Hart and I drag it on top of me, it'll put it in the same document, and then as soon as I hit the little check mark at the top right or I hit return, you'll notice a little icon on the layer. This means that it needs to get rasterized. It needs to be turned more into pixels. So if I take my mouse, or if I right click, control click if you're using like a laptop, and you hit rasterize layer, now we're good to go. If you did it the first way, so I'm just gonna undo twice, dragged it down, and I use my move tool to drag, hold, and then let go on top of me, I don't need to rasterize it. It doesn't have that little icon on the layer. So again, two main ways. You can just take your image, drag it onto that PS, the little icon logo on your dock, or you could drag it onto your actual document that you've already opened up, but then you need to make sure that you rasterize your layer. I hope that helps. I'll see you guys in the next video.